You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or smaller than 9. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or smaller than 9.